Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save a Word document. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, go down and select the Save As option, and then you can save it to anywhere on your computer or a network location perhaps, or even OneDrive if you have it connected to your account. So select the Browse button here as well. If you want to go save it to your desktop, you can. Or on the left panel, you can select Documents perhaps. And you just would name the file whatever you want. So you can just type in New Document, for example. And you would select Save. And if you close out of here, and we opened up Word again. So let's actually go ahead and just open up Word. You can see your recent documents down here. You can just open it up directly from here. Or you can select Open on the left side, and then again, it should show up under Recent or over here on the right. You can select the Browse button with a little folder, and then just navigate to the location. Usually it takes you right to where you saved your documents last. And you just would select the document and then Open. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.